Welcome back for part 9 of the 1955 Lawn Boy restoration. I'm going to go ahead and get the mower running, but before we do that, let's go back and look at where it all started. And make sure you stay tuned. After I run the mower, I've got a surprise for you guys. I made that promise in part 8. I'll show you. I think you're going to like it. What we have here today is a 1955 Lawn Boy. So we've got good spark, put the carburetor back on. So here goes nothing. I hope you enjoyed the quick flashback. Now here we go, let's get it started. All right, I went and hooked up my choke on-off switch. Seems to be working really well. I'll show you. So that's your choke position. Goes down and over. And when you move it over, I don't know if you can see, but the cutoff switch is engaged. And then when you move it up, get a nice little finesse. Now your switch is disengaged. So down, over, engaged, and up and choke. And then that would be up and run. Okay, so for our first start, I'm gonna go ahead and use the drill, and then I'll do a second video with the pull start. So right now, we've got it in an on choke position. There we go. Well, there you go. The mower runs. The project is mostly complete. I'm sure there's a few little things that I need to do, but I really hope you enjoyed this series. And like I said, in part 8, I have a surprise for you guys. So here we go. I'm gonna reveal it. Well, here's the surprise I promised. This is a Lawn Boy 3050, my next project. Now, I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and do a full restoration on this right away. I plan on just getting it running. We'll do a will it run, and then I plan on using this mower a little bit before I actually go ahead and restore it. The 1955, it's too nice to use, and I really want to be able to use this for a little bit. All right, here it is, the Lawn Boy 3050. Now, they made this model from 1959 to 1961, I believe. I still haven't identified exactly what year it is, but if anyone can tell, go ahead and put that in the comments. I'd appreciate it. So I really hope you enjoyed the 1955 Lawn Boy restoration. Please go ahead and subscribe and like the video, and come back for the will it run of the Lawn Boy 3050.